We out here. Got the kayak launch. Got the frog on ride over there. Let's get it out here, guys. Hopefully it'll be a good day out here today. This is Lake Oakland, out in Oakland County. It's my first time ever fishing here. It's a new lake. So hopefully we get some good results and new results. We're gonna see what we can get out here. I got you guys on the chesty today, and I got you guys on the back mount also. So we're gonna see what we can get out here. We're gonna kind of stick shallow and fish these little shallow weed pads and up close. I think these bass should be up close. This is a real shallow lake. So we're gonna stay up close and see if we can hit these fish in these pockets. So enough of me talking, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, these pads here is kind of something that I've been wanting to focus on since I came in from the boat launch. When I was first coming in, I seen this little patch of these weeds here. So I know bass is stacked up in these pads. So I'm gonna try to find out and see what's up in here. Look, there we go, right there. That was something. I'm gonna try to find out, see what's up in here. Look, there we go, right there. So big right there. You see what I mean? See what I mean? See what I mean? See what I mean? Got him. There's that fish up in here. Ate the frog. Yep, first one off the frog. You like shit, go nowhere, buddy. First one off the frog. Ate it right in those pads, guys. I don't know if you guys quite didn't see it, but first one of the day, not too bad. I ate the frog. Just got released. He kind of hit it twice. And I seen him come up and wake for it. And then when he hit it again. But not too bad, about 15 inches, not too big, nothing to brag about. But first one of the day. There he goes. Here we go, guys. Not too bad. Just a little guy go back. Alright, guys. Not too bad. Second one off the frog. He just kind of sucked that down. I didn't even he didn't even blow that up. I just seen the frog disappear and I just set the hook. Ate it. Deep in there. Go, guys. Another nice one of the day. Found him deep in that pocket. Ate the frog. It's gone. He was in that little pocket right there. It's shallow. I didn't even really see it. I just seen the water blew up and boom. Nice fish there, guys. Let's get this guy unhooked And release. Oh, he ate that frog good. He ate that frog pretty good. Not bad, Lake Oakland. Not no real big ones, but we catching them. We catching them. Not real big. Man, let's just gotta go. Slow down, buddy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna throw this chopper around a little bit more. See if I can get a hit off top water here. Some bass lurking here. They want some disturbance on the water. Looks so fishy up in here. Yeah, I know it was. It's so fishy up in here. First fish of the day.